Hello everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial on setting up a proxy on AdsPower. Let's dive right in! First, log into your AdsPower account and navigate to the Proxies tab. Next, click on Add Proxies to begin. Now, head over to your preferred proxy provider. For this tutorial, we'll use ProxyLink. Generate your desired proxy in the Proxy Generator category, selecting your preferences. Copy the generated proxy. Return to AdsPower and paste the proxy into the provided field. Click on Check Proxy to ensure functionality. Confirm the settings by clicking OK twice. Create a new profile, giving it a name and configuring it as desired. In the Proxy section, select Saved Proxies and choose the one you just added. Once again, click on Check Proxy to verify. Click on OK, and once that's done, press Open to open the profile. Verify that the proxy is working correctly, showing your chosen location. And that's it. Setting up a proxy on AdsPower is quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to get started with AdsPower and access proxies, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!